Good morning, students. Today I'm going to take a topic on how to calculate percentage composition of an element in one molecule. This is the part of your chapter 1. Chapter 1 is the language of chemistry. Percentage composition. First of all, I'm giving you some example. You try to understand. Then we'll do numericals, which is based on this topic. Suppose in your classroom, the strength of total students are 50, and out of 50 students, 20 the number of girls. The rest will be boys. It means total number of girls are 20, then the boys number is 30. If you are asked, calculate the percentage of girls in your class, then how we will do? We will write the total number of girls as a numerator, and total strength of the class will be written as denominator. And as you know, for the calculation of percentage, we multiply by 100. So same method, the same concept, if you will apply, if question will come, what is the percentage of hydrogen in one molecule of water? Same way, many questions can possible. Maybe ask, what is the percentage composition of carbon in glucose? What is the percentage composition of hydrogen in glucose? There are many questions can be asked on this topic, and this topic is important or useful because this is also given in class 10th syllabus. And one question or 1 mark or 2 marks numerical that will come in board paper. So I'm going to explain and you try to understand. Suppose for so question is given, calculate the percentage of hydrogen in water, calculate the percentage of hydrogen in other molecule. We'll apply one formula, I'm giving, and that you have to write, or you don't write. It's not compulsory to write the formula before solving the numericals. You can directly put the values and then you can find the answer. Formula is percentage. I'm writing in a small symbol. Percentage of an element in a compound. Okay, is equal to what? Total weight of whose percentage we are going to find? Element. So as a numerator we'll write total weight of an element. Compare. This is the classroom, suppose, and this is the number of girls. Then what I said that time, the number of girls will be written as a numerator and total strength of the class is written as a denominator, and then will be multiplied by 100. So I'm writing the formula: total weight of an element in a compound, okay, by total gram molecular mass of that compound. and multiply it by 100. So this is the formula for the calculation of percentage composition. We'll take one example and then we'll try to understand. Question: calculate percentage composition of hydrogen in 1 molecule of water. This is the question. So first to recognize what we have to find. We have to find the percentage. Whose percentage? Hydrogen percentage. In which compound or molecule? It is in water. So one more thing you have to know, that whatever compound is given or whatever molecule is given, first you have to find out gram molecular mass of that compound. And I have given a video in my channel that how will you find out relative molecular mass or gram molecular mass of a compound. So that you can go through once again, so you can easily understand how to find the RMM or GMM. It is symbolized in the short form, a relative molecular mass RMM, gram molecular mass GMM. But still I am going to explain how to calculate GMM here also. So solution: whose percentage? Hydrogen percentage. Follow the formula. Percentage of an element. Which element? Hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen atom in a compound. Which compound? Water. In water. H2O. You can write formula also, is equal to total weight of an element in compound. So we have to find what is the total weight of hydrogen. So we'll do here just in the next step. You know that formula of water is H2O. Yes. Calculate its GMM, gram molecular mass. See how many hydrogen? 2 right here. And you know that the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So we'll write 1. Hydrogen is completed. Then we'll give the plus sign. Then how many oxygen here? 1. We'll write 1. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So we'll write here 16. Now do the calculation. So it will be 2 into 1, 2, and 1 into 16, it is 16. So total is 18. This is the gram molecular mass of water. What is the heading given here? Total weight of an element. Which element is here? Hydrogen. You see what is the total weight of the hydrogen in this compound of water? What is the total weight of hydrogen? Is 2. So we write here 2 by total gram molecular mass of that compound in which hydrogen atom is present. So how many? What is the total mass? You can see here 80. So it will be 18 into multiply it by 100. Do the calculation, you will get the answer. So if you do the calculation, you will get the answer approx 11.1%. So you can say that in water molecule, the percentage of hydrogen is 11.1 and the rest is oxygen atom. So question can also come, calculate the percentage of oxygen atom. In spite of asking hydrogen, it can be asked, calculate the percentage of oxygen. One more question I am going to explain, so that it will be very clear to you. Suppose the second question is calculate percentage composition of nitrogen. Calculate percentage composition of nitrogen in urea. Urea formula of urea is NH2CONH2. This is the formula of urea. Then we follow the rules. First, you find out whose percentage we have to find. We have to find nitrogen percentage. In which compound? In urea. We will do the solution. So first, you calculate GMM. In the beginning, you calculate GMM. Then it will be easy for you to put the values and get the answer. Calculate GMM. GMM of urea. Urea means NH2CONH2. Now see, in the formula, how many total nitrogen? You can see total nitrogens 2. So write here 2 into what is the atomic mass of nitrogen? 14. That you have to learn. You will get in the exam in the question paper, but you try to learn at least till atomic number 20. Plus, again you see how many number of hydrogen, total hydrogen to here and to here. Total hydrogens are 4. So 4 into what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? It is 1. Plus, next is, which is the next new atom? It is carbon. What is the percentage? You can see its percentage is, its number is 1. What is the number? 1. And what is the atomic mass of carbon? Its atomic mass is 12. Plus, which is the next atom? Oxygen. How many in this compound? 1. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? It is 16. 1, 6. So do the calculation. 28 plus 4 plus 1 into 12, 12 plus 1 into 16. So total addition, it will come 60. So this is the GMM of urea. Now we have the GMM. We have to find the percentage composition of nitrogen. So in this GMM, you get what is the total mass or total weight of nitrogen element. You can see the total weight of nitrogen is 28. Now follow the formula. Percentage of nitrogen in urea is equal to total weight of an element. So total weight of nitrogen is 28. We'll write here 28 by total gram molecular mass of that compound. What is the total mass? 60. So we'll write here 60 into multiply it by 100. Do the calculation. 0, 0 cancel. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. Then it is, how much will come? It is approx, it will come 46.7%. So we can say that after this calculation, we can say that the total percentage of nitrogen in urea is 46.7%, and the rest approx 54% and 54.3% is hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. So you go through the calculation, you see the how to calculate GMM, RMM and put the values whose percentage you have to find as numerator, and the total weight in which that element is compound, that is called GMM, you have to write as a denominator and then multiply it by 100. You will do the calculation and then you will find the percentage composition of the respective elements what is asked in the question paper. So I hope I'm clear with this topic. If you at all you liked my video, you must subscribe my channel so you can get more updates and do the numericals that is given in your exercise questions. You can practice more questions which is also given in the solve example as well as in exercise questions. Thank you.